control the cryptocurrency markets, it's going to be the good old US, and the other nations will follow. After that, we'll have this pro-crypto Australia. His name is Angel Sholton, and he serves as the Digital Economy's Assistant Management Minister. Pay attention to what he says, since this is really optimistic. This kind of leadership is what we require. Millions of Australians see cryptocurrency as an asset, making it more than just a new technology. It is a new frontier in finance that allows for efficiency, creativity, and opportunity that were unthinkable 10 years ago. The Australian government also places a high importance on this industry because it sees how it may spur economic expansion, draw in foreign capital, and solidify a position as a pioneer in the digital economy. Digital assets are more than just a centralized means of making purchases. They provide new opportunities for financial inclusion, wealth development, and safe, decentralized systems, making them an asset class unto themselves. Millions of Australians have already invested in or used cryptocurrencies in their daily lives, demonstrating how they've embraced these opportunities. Getting this industry properly is a priority for our government. By controlling risks and safeguarding consumers, we are attempting to provide a regulatory framework that encourages innovation. And by working with scholars, industry leaders, and international partners, we hope to make Australia a secure, open, and prosperous centre for blockchain and cryptocurrencies. This industry is at a turning point, and by working together, we can maximise the value of digital assets to create a sustainable, inclusive, and creative economy in the future. Well done, everyone. Its cycle peak at my price target of about 180. Therefore, I do believe that if Bitcoin makes a move here, now will be the moment, or perhaps his insert occurred. I wanted to let you know that his top fits me. From 175 to 225, I'm phoning. First, continue listening. I honestly believe that alt will likely begin to rally as soon as Bitcoin breaks the top of this range, but it's possible that we will start to push through here and then, and I will take a backseat as Bitcoin does so, and alt surge as Bitcoin simply blows off top to the high. Let me now demonstrate where I believe alt will most likely begin to move. I think that if we start to break, that would be a terrible disaster anywhere in this area. Since my freehand sketching skills are really lacking, let me just draw a square. Anywhere between here and probably around here, if we think this is going to be the turning point and we've reached around 100,000 and begin to rise, I believe the rotation into alt will begin at this point. Why am I saying that? It's because we witnessed the XRP move at this precise moment. Yesterday we discussed this. It's where XRP got its start, and as Bitcoin surged up here, XRP really began to beat it percentage-wise. So keep in mind that Bitcoin will continue to rise. Therefore, when all of that money starts to move out of Bitcoin later this year, the higher the price of XRP can go now, the higher. This is the 1 hour chart for XRP. It looks good, people. Take a look at this. It's on TradingView. This chart is really basic. I simply want to show you what we have accomplished here over the last month. Continue to be steady, just hanging out with the teens till they are 12 to 30 to 14 years old, and then all of a sudden, currently sitting at $2.62. I was wondering why I was asleep. Explosion to the upside, as you can see. Has a lovely tiny wick right there. We tried to get past that resistance area of 265, but were unsuccessful. Guess what though? We're trying again. I do think we'll be able to surpass 265 today. It occurs live on the live show, if the time is correct, tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The live stream will begin. However, I do think we move above 265 at that point. And guess what? The chart appears in your upper right corner at that moment. 2,083 cents to $3 is the only remaining resistant area that we're concerned about. For weeks, if not months, we have been discussing this range on this channel. Once that area is breached, we will be able to close above $3 on a weekly basis. XRP will rapidly increase in value. This is where the $4 to $6 goal I've been discussing for May and June will come into play. The cycle doesn't end there. That is not